Well, that did not turn out good. I think you can see the stripe in front of me of the highway. I was sitting in that lane when I set the tractor brakes, and the truck slid completely sideways, just like the one in front of me. And then I sat for about a minute, and the truck decided to slide some more with the brakes set and me not even moving. Yeah, we're kind of all screwed here. There's a whole bunch of trucks that are stuck, and this storm came in really, really fast. It caught the state off guard. It caught us all off guard, because they would have closed it beforehand, and not allow us to all get up here and get stuck, because, oh shoot, look at this. The wind blew him off the road. He was not moving. He was not moving. Wow. I'm glad he kept the tractor in place so he'd take the nose off mine. Well, I got emergency chocolate. Other than that,